SMP Temperature Control Division introduces Pack Kits, a complete AC kit assembled and shipped in one convenient package with everything customers need to perform a successful AC repair while satisfying the warranty. Created from the top-selling new compressors, Pack Kits offer coverage for the most popular vehicles on the road today. Doing the job right takes more than just replacing the compressor. With AC systems becoming more sophisticated, it's imperative technicians replace all of the necessary components to extend compressor life. That's why each complete AC kit comes with all the components needed to do the job right. This includes a 4 seasons quality new compressor, accumulator or filter dryer, expansion device, appropriate oil, necessary gaskets and O-rings, service valves and caps, tamper evidence strap, and underhood maintenance label for a complete repair in one kit. Increase sales and profitability with quality Pack Kits complete AC kits.